You're back! Woo! All right, I guess you liked the last one, didn't you? Well, yeah, I might as well welcome you back to Design Unfiltered. And as you know, I am Perla Lichi. And today, honey, we are talking about one of my favorite subjects. Design myths! Wow, yeah, people believe some of the funniest things about interior design. I'm like, some of these myths have been around for decades. Yes, others actually were invented by my favorite social media. And some, oh yeah, I honestly don't know where they came from. So, today, we're going to bust 10 of my biggest design myths. That's it. And hopefully save a few living rooms along the way. Oh, yeah. So, okay, let's get started. Myth number one. Oh, honey, everything has to match. Really? Matchy. I have a song. It goes like this. No matchy. No matchy. No way. And who actually started this rumor though? I would actually like to know, guys. Well, people think the sofa has to match the love seat. Yeah, that's been around for how long? Which has to also match the chair, which also has to match the coffee table, has to match the end tables. How about the dog, guys? Match the dog too? Well, no. Do you realize that nature? Yeah, look around you. Nature doesn't match. Walk into a forest, guys. Every tree is actually different. Every tree, every leaf is different. That's why it's beautiful. So why are you trying to match everything? Luxury design is about coordination, not cloning. And then again, fashion, fashion works exactly the same way. Imagine wearing a matching shoes, a matching purse, belt, jacket, earrings, necklace, watch, and hat, exactly in the same fabric and color. No, not happening, right? Well, you look like you got dressed in a gift shop. Right? No matching your clothes either, because mixing creates personality. Yes, I'll say it like me. And then again, there's more myths though. I'm not done yet, so stay here because I got so many. Myth number two. Ooh, bigger furniture makes a room look bigger. How did that happen? Well, that's like saying eating more cake makes you lose weight. See what happened last time I tried that. Well, oversized furniture can actually overwhelm a room if it's not properly scaled. Did you ever try scaling your furniture? I mean, luxury designers think about proportion. They think about style too. Fashion? How do we compare? Well, just because you can squeeze into an extra small dress, it doesn't mean it's gonna look good. Well, it depends on who is wearing it and how. And wearing clothes 3 sizes too big, guys, does not make you look slimmer either. No. It actually does the opposite. I've been there, done that. So everything is about proper fit. Yeah. And then what? Myth number 3. Oh, Gunny, I'm just getting going here. Why? Because with everything, really? Well, technically, it can. But should it? Should it? Not every room needs to look like a laboratory or a cloud. Guys, luxury isn't about removing color. Luxury is about choosing the right color. Because fashion proves this every season. Black may be classic, but nobody says every outfit has to be black. Even though black does make you look thinner. Remember that one. Well, color though creates emotion. Like me, I'm so emotional right now. Look how colorful you guys are. Oh yes, color, emotion. But then there's more myths. Oh, let me think about that one. Oh yeah, number 4. Expensive. Woo! Expensive automatically means beautiful? No. Well, I've actually seen $1 million furniture that was absolutely horrible, guys. I've also seen affordable pieces that actually look spectacular. You know, it's how you put it together that matters. But you know, money doesn't buy taste. Not last time I checked. I mean, you know, I've seen people trying to go shopping for taste, and where do they get? But good design creates value. That's a good thing to actually think about. But then when you compare it to fashion, oh, here we go. This is one of my favorite subjects. A designer label doesn't automatically make someone stylish. No, actually, confidence wears the outfit. That's right. The outfit does not wear the person. Oh no. So then you got number 5. Trends are everything. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, if you redesign your home every time, social media tells you that's what's trending. Oh, it's trending. Social media said it, that's it. Well, you will never, ever, ever finish decorating, guys, because trends should inspire you, not control you. Yeah, well, you tell them that, but you know what? I'm going to tell you something more important because, again, design is within your soul, and it's all about who you are and how it fits you, just like the outfit you'd wear anytime you want to look fabulous. Yes, fashion does change every season. Your home shouldn't have an expiration date, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Timeless, though, will always win. Myth, numbers. Where am I here? Oh, guys, I think we'll be here all day. No. I'll stop at 10 because there's many myths, okay? This is the world of design. Myth number 6. Yeah, every room needs a focal point. That's a television. Ooh, really? Well, yeah, when you want to watch me on TV, yeah, it's good to have it. But apparently that we have now decided, at least society has, that every living room should worship a giant black rectangle. Yeah, guys, televisions are wonderful. They're entertainment, yes, but they're not always artwork, guys. Sometimes the view deserves the attention. Imagine, what kind of view do you have? Well, no, let me look at the black dot. Yeah, well, swivel that chair, guys. And then sometimes, actually, you have a fireplace, right? Okay, and then that's awesome and incredible. Architecture. Let's look at that, guys. Not that black square. Or was it rectangle? I don't know geometry, but go ahead. Well, sometimes, how about an amazing piece of art? All of those things are design. TV just became an accessory. Oh my goodness. How about fashion here? What are we doing? What are we doing with fashion when it comes to that comparison? Well, your shoes shouldn't always be the star of the outfit. Well, I mean, maybe the boots, it depends, okay? But sometimes the jacket can also steal the show. So, myth number 7, where are we going today, guys? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna bring that one up because everybody knows how I feel about minimalism. Well, minimalism is luxury, right? Well, minimalism can actually be luxurious. Yeah, but empty. No way. But empty doesn't automatically equal elegance. No. Well, sometimes minimalism simply means you forgot to finish decorating, guys. Well, you know, I can't help it. I have to throw that one in. Because luxury comes from balance. Yes, quality, texture, craftsmanship, lighting, ooh, and thoughtful composition. Not from removing everything. That's what I'm talking about. Same with fashion. I mean, imagine that. A white t-shirt can be chic, or it can look like a laundry day. Yay, laundry day. Throw it in that hamper. Well, there's also myth number 8. Oh. Now I'm really laughing, but I'll go ahead and say it to you guys because I think you're getting ready for that. Yeah, you have to follow design rules. What? Really? Oh my God, here we go. If every designer followed every rule, well, guess what? every house will look the same. Oh my God, what is this rules? I've heard about them. Yeah, I've heard about them. That's about it. Yeah, right? No rules, guys. Okay, well, you can make your own, though. But rules teach us the fundamentals, though. Creativity is knowing when to bend the rules. Bend the rules. Forget about bend the rules. Break them. Yes, break the rules if it feels right and if it fits. Fashion would also be incredibly boring if everyone dressed the same. Oh my God, imagine everybody wearing this outfit. Oh, well, design should celebrate personality, not conformity. And then rule number 9. Oh, we're almost done, guys. Yeah, forget the scale ruler. We don't need it for that one. Art should match the sofa. Oh, I hear that one all the time. Yeah. Okay, match my art to my sofa. Well, please, art is not wallpaper. Yes, it's not. It actually tells your story. It should make you smile. It should make you think. It should make you laugh, or maybe even wonder. It should definitely, guys, make you feel something. Remember that. Now, when it comes to fashion, nobody actually buys earrings because they perfectly match the couch or your whatever. At least I hope not, because art should express your personality, not your paint color. And finally, all right, I'll give you one more. Myth number 10. Yeah. Here we go. Luxury is only for wealthy people. Yeah. Well, guess what? Now, luxury starts with good planning, good lighting, of course, thoughtful furniture placement, quality over quantity, and of course, attention to detail. You don't need a castle to live beautifully. Be nice to have one, I mean, yeah. But you simply need the right intention. Always the right intention with your style in your home, no matter how big it is. And also in fashion, it proves that every day, someone, for example, with confidence, proper tailoring, and great taste can outshine someone wearing a wardrobe that costs 10 times as much. That's it. I'm telling you, it's all about presentation and how you do it, because luxury isn't a price tag, honey. It's an attitude, yeah. So, what's the biggest lesson today? Okay, design isn't about copying someone else's house. I keep saying that, but it's about creating a home that tells what? Say it. Your story. Yes, your home should fit you the way a perfectly tailored suit or a beautiful custom dress fits the person wearing it. Yes, it should be comfortable, confident, authentic, and of course, unforgettable. Yeah, like me. Okay, remember guys, I'm Perla Lichi, and this has been Design Unfiltered. Was I unfiltered enough? Because I got a few more, but we'll save those for later. So, we tell it like it is, we laugh a little, learn a lot, and prove that great design is never about following myths. No, it's about creating spaces that reflect who you truly are. So, I'll see you next time, and remember, life is too short for boring rooms. I gotta go!